Check out the ReadyLIFT 3.5-inch SST lift kit for the 2019 Ram new body style 4-wheel drive. This kit will allow you to clear 35 by 12.5-inch tires on a 9-inch wide wheel with either a positive 12 or a 0 offset. My personal favorite part of the entire kit are the new DOM steel tubular upper control arms. Now, because of the new ride height angle, ReadyLIFT went ahead and corrected the ball joint angle as well. They also pre-installed a heavy-duty upper control arm ball joint that's serviceable, and it has a zert fitting so you can grease it as well. Now that's going to replace your factory upper control arm that's made out of a composite material and then just wrapped with a thin sheet metal. You get to retain your front factory struts. We do have some spacers to extend the length of those. You'll also get some spacers for the rear to gain you an additional 2 inches of ride height back there, and you'll have some bump stop extensions. This kit is made right here in the USA. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and we ship it for free to anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.